audience, and like there are many questions already, largely from students who are like very worried about online classes these days. So one of the questions from a student is that like we don't have a name, but the question says if the center has already cancelled exams, why is the Karnataka government not promoting us? Please promote all degree students. So apparently this is one of the discussions you had recently about promoting students who are doing their graduation or post-graduation rather than conducting exams.
Akram, basically, to be frank with you, we are seized of this matter. This was completely unprecedented, which is, it has come. We can't get away from, conducting any of the academic activity. It is a continuous process. We need to engage ourselves. We need to do the things, whatever required things to be done. Now at present, since even the lockdown is not been relaxed, we don't know when we'll be permitted to start the classes. So until then, we can't just tell, we can't tell people are promoted, you have been promoted and you have been declared pass. All these things are not possible. Unless and until the relaxation has been completely
everything is thrown open completely,
and the lockdown been relaxed, until then we can't come to anything. Until then, whatever academic activity can be done, can be done only through online. There is no other alternative. Is there any other alternative for us? In this present situation, for us it is only through online YouTube channels and through PDF format, through WhatsApp group or Telegraph group. Any of these things we can avail of, make use of this, and we can reach out to the student. Or they can do on their self-learning. Make use, talk to their peers, reach out to their peers, talk to them, learn, do things. See, it's a process. See, here, it's a place, it's a time for them to get involved, start learning. Their only duty is to learn. No, this is the time for them to do their work. And later on, once the lockdown is relaxed, we can think over what needs to be done, whether classes to be conducted after the lockdown, optionally, not mandatorily, if the students can attend the classes. So whoever were not able to learn through the online, we can give them an opportunity of an optional opportunity of attending the classes.
So
they can attend the classes.
Like what the opposition or some of the questions here are like, one of the questions for Ivan Suman G reads, you are playing with the lives of students. Do you really think online education is effective in rural areas? That is one of the issues that even the opposition has highlighted, saying there is no broadband connectivity in rural areas and people will struggle to get online education and it will set them back compared to their urban counterparts. So you have also offered, incidentally, to provide internet connection to 1.1 lakh students who have, there is a proposal, that's what you said.
No, that is additionally what we are trying to provide as in a facility. That's in a facility what we are trying to provide to the government students, so that they can, we can promote more of online education, complementary education in the government institution. We have provided them the laptops, 110,000 laptops have been provided. It should be put into maximum use. We are thinking in the terms of complementing the education in this direction. As a responsibility, we are developing content for that utilization. So many of the people can't afford these kind of internet services. As a goodwill, we are trying to reach out to the internet service service providers company to provide free internet services for these 110,000.
Yes, that way.
And they are trying to consider with regard to online is something we are not trying to impose here. The situation has warranted us to provide a solution. We can't just keep quiet and sit back. We need to reach out, we need to take the responsibility, we need to ensure whatever possible we can do in the given situation, we are trying to do our best. And more so, where student is not able to get connected with the online education, for them we are planning to, after the relaxation of the lockdown, we are planning to conduct classes. See, for example, in degree colleges, almost 80% syllabus was completed in degree colleges. In VTU University, around 30 to 40% syllabus was covered, and very less portion was covered for them, which we are aware. And for the degree student, we can conduct it for lesser time. And for the VTU student, we can have for a longer duration, and we can allow them to have regular classes, optional. It will not be mandatory. Even if I insist mandatory, because many of the people think they want safety. Whoever has learnt over the online, whoever doesn't require offline classes, they have the option of attending or not attending. It's their choice. So after that, we can planning to take up whether the exams can be conducted or not.
Like, but why is the government so reluctant to promote these students? Like, is there a scientific basis to why these students should not be promoted to the next year? Like because you will have had some discussions in the Higher Education Council or anywhere else about promoting students.
So not that we are not reluctant or anything like that. It's an academic activity. It's a learning. We are ensuring them whatever required teaching or learnings are provided to them, and it's not in their interest also. See, once they pass out without exams passing out or backlog, not only the regular exam, along with that they have a lot of backlog also. Are there, and the people who can't appear, for example, they thought, we are just thinking there are many suggestions. If people who are not able to attend this exam, who are not interested to take this exam, they'll be allowed to take carry over the entire subjects to next exam, and it will not be mentioned as a attempt. It will not be mentioned as an attempt. They'll be allowed to carry over all the subjects if they don't appear. All those options will be allowed, and more so the exams will be very liberal, and we are not going to stick on. Many options have been thought over. They are concerned. The universities will come out with many solutions. And it is not advisable student without, and more so I just discussed, this virus is not going to leave us.
Very short. It will take a little time.
And it's going to stay. We can't get away, and we need to follow the regular academic
calendar
standards. Whatever the prescribed standards needs to be also addressed. At the same time, addressing the concern. Whatever we are trying to do here, it is not for ourselves. See, it's the easiest thing. Easiest thing, no exam. This is not a jungle Raj.
You have to have the testing before the pass.
Some other state is doing it, doesn't mean we have to do. So it is something in their own interest. We can easily, disown everything and allow them to pass. All these things are the easiest solution. Declaring pass is not a solution. So we need to look into the concern of the student, their future, and we need to take an appropriate decision, balancing, keeping in mind everything. We need to take a right decision.
You've been trying to reassure students, sir, but the questions of the students continue to come in. One of the students, Lohit, asks, we can't understand online classes and we have problems with getting good network.
That's what I told you, sir. That's just now when the lockdown is relaxed, the classes can start.
Classes can. Are you looking at readjusting the academic calendar, because there are 2 months which have been lost?
We can definitely readjust the calendar, cut down the holidays. All these things can be done. Continuous academic training can be enforced, and holidays can be cut down. Many things can be done. So there are a lot of solutions available. Ultimately, we want to maintain standards. We want to address ultimately whatever we are trying to do here is in the interest of the student and in the welfare of the student. Declaring everything and leaving open, promoted, if that is a solution.
Then it would have been offered already.
Then if that's a solution, what else been, what else can an educational institution, what else they got to do? In this time, this is their duty to start learning. Stop worrying about the exams. Stop worrying. We understand their challenges. Many of them are facing problem with regard to the online learning. We understand that it's not been very convenient. Just only depending on online is not the only solution. Optionally, until the classes open, until the colleges starts, we insist all these children to avail and make use of the online. Later on, once the lockdown is done, relaxation has been provided, we'll start the classes. We'll ensure whatever classes they have missed all the classes will be conducted.
Okay.
Then only we'll